Is your window AC keeping you cool, but keeping you awake? In 2026, you don't have to sacrifice peace for comfort. Welcome back to Top Home Finds. Today, we're counting down the top 5 quietest window air conditioners on the market in our ultimate buying guide. Before we dive in, please like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel and help us bring you more top-tier home reviews. Let's get started with number 1. First up is the Midea U air conditioners. Here are some advantages of the Midea U air conditioner. Ultra-quiet operation. The innovative U-shaped design allows your window to close securely inside the center groove of the unit. Superior energy efficiency. Equipped with advanced variable speed DC inverter technology, this unit dynamically adjusts its cooling power instead of constantly switching completely on and off. Flexible window functionality. Unlike standard window ACs that completely block your window, the unique U-shaped frame gives you the freedom to open and close your window even while the unit is fully installed. Smart connectivity and control. The unit features built-in Wi-Fi capability, allowing you to monitor and adjust temperatures from anywhere using the Smart Home smartphone app. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the LG air conditioners. Here are some advantages of the LG window air conditioners. Advanced dual inverter technology. The innovative twin rotary compressor delivers highly efficient performance by continuously adjusting its speed based on real-time cooling demands. Ultra-quiet operation. Engineered with low decibel performance in mind, these units operate smoothly and eliminate unnecessary noise. ThinQ smart connectivity. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and LG ThinQ technology, the air conditioner can be monitored and managed remotely from anywhere using a smartphone. Customizable airflow and versatility. Featuring a 4-way air deflection system, the unit allows you to direct airflow precisely where it is needed most. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the TOSOT Tranquility air conditioners. Here are some advantages of the TOSOT Tranquility air conditioner. Whisper quiet operation. True to its name, the Tranquility series is engineered heavily for noise reduction. Exceptional energy efficiency. This unit boasts a remarkably high energy efficiency ratio, which allows it to deliver maximum cooling performance while minimizing electricity consumption. Smart thermostat integration. I feel mode. Rather than reading the temperature only at the window where the unit is installed, the remote control features a built-in temperature sensor. Sleek and modern aesthetics. Moving away from the industrial, harsh look of traditional window air conditioners, this model features a clean, minimalist front panel design. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Dreo Arctic One air conditioners. Here are some advantages of the Dreo Arctic One air conditioner. Industry-leading energy efficiency. This unit features a highly optimized variable speed inverter compressor that adjusts dynamically rather than turning completely on and off. Sustained ultra-quiet performance. Thanks to its advanced inverter motor, the unit eliminates the loud, jarring spin-up sounds common to traditional fixed-speed window ACs. Simplified bracket-free installation. Unlike many heavy-duty quiet window units that require complex, separate external mounting hardware. Versatile modes and sleek aesthetics. The unit offers a modern look that is much cleaner and sleeker than 99% of traditional boxy window units. Check the description for more details on this product. And fifth, we have the Frigidaire air conditioners. Here are some advantages of the Frigidaire window air conditioners. Whisper quiet inverter performance. Frigidaire's advanced variable speed inverter compressor regulates room temperature seamlessly. Dynamic 6-way directional airflow. Unlike standard units that blow air in a single static direction, modern Frigidaire models feature an innovative 6-way multi-directional airflow system. Energy Star certified savings. Built with an integrated energy saver mode, these units maximize cooling output while minimizing electrical draw. Seamless Wi-Fi and smart home integration. With built-in Wi-Fi, users can fully manage the appliance using the Frigidaire smartphone app. Check the description for more details on this product. And that wraps up our guide to the 5 quietest window air conditioners of 2026. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to Top Home Finds for more home product reviews. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.